Ethanol is there in your lesson. Ethanol means how many carbons? Ethyl, tell me first one, losing one hydrogen. Ethane.
2.
Ethane means C2, say చెప్పండి.
C2.
Ethane means
C2H6.
C.
H6.
ఇక్కడ how much? Here hydrogen, here also hydrogen, here also hydrogen, here also hydrogen, here also hydrogen. Here in this place, what is that? This place is you have let off one hydrogen. You have lost one hydrogen. In this place, you can use functional group. What is that? Alcohol means OH. Alcohol means OH. Then finally, what how do you write? C2H how much? H5OH. This is what is this? Ethanol. Ethanol is the IUPAC name. Ethanol is the IUPAC. Ethyl alcohol is right or no? Ethyl alcohol is right. Ethyl alcohol is common name. Ethyl alcohol is common name. Ethanol is IUPAC name. Ethanol is IUPAC name. Write down very important. In that way you will have to, if it is 3 carbons, what do you call it? If it is 3 carbons, what do you call it? 3 carbons means what do you call it? Alkyl. Propanol. Butanol. Write down. Propanol, butanol. 4 carbons means butanol. Pentanol. Hexanol. Septanol. Octanol. Decanol. You can write examples also write down. Then you will easily remember that. Not by hearting these all structures. What is this? This group is called. What is this group? This group is called. What is this group called? Here we have lost one hydrogen. Alkyl group. What is this group here?
Alcohol.
Ethyl. This is ethyl. Alkyl group. R. This is alcohol. R. This is you can write. What is this? Write R OH. This is remaining. This all R. This is R. This total is R, which is referred by R. In that way, you will have to write ROH. That is CHO. This is in the CHO. This is CHO, but not CHH. Next, this is in the CH. What is CHX? This is CHO. This alcohol means CHO. How many are there in CH? 4 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there in CHO. Remember that. CHX is Paklo right there. Always is there. Always is in CHX. Always is in CHX. I have told you first. CHX. What is this here group? Tell me. C. I don't have H. Otherwise you can't remember. H. Here we have H. This is we have strike rod. In this place we fill up with. If you say for suppose I fill up with scroll. What do you call this name? Tell me, 10th class. What do you call this name? Chloro. What is this? Chloro. Chloroethyl. I understood. Chloride. If it is bromine, what is it? Bromoethyl. Another one. What is the remaining? There are 6 are there. What are those? Fluoro. Fluorine means chlorine. Fluoro. What naive back? It comes in the prefix. It comes before the name. Prefix. That is fluoro. Iodide. In that you have to fill up this X group. This is X group. Here this is OH. Next R. What is this group?
F, B, and C.
What is this group? This group what we call? What you call? Have you remembered or stop? I have to stop. I understood all this. Sir, today I have stopped. Tomorrow I will continue from here. Don't go. Write down. Without seeing, write down.